Hi children, welcome. Let's watch the video of lesson 9 What is pink through our English Garden workbook. Let's watch. Yes, children, this is our workbook lesson 9 What is pink? Children, what is pink? The title of the chapter, and it is a poem. Let's start exercise A. Playing with words. Fill in the blanks with double letters to make words. The pictures will help you. Miss, in this exercise we have given some pictures, and these pictures words are given in the form of fill up, and this fill up will be filled by the double letter. डबल लेटर मीन्स किसी भी वर्ड में कोई भी लेटर जो हम फिलअप में फिल करेंगे ना वो डबल होना चाहिए. एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ पिलो. PILLOW. तो देयर इज डबल लेटर, डबल एल का यूज हुआ इस वर्ड में. इन दिस वे वी विल फिल अप ऑल द वर्ड्स. सेकेंड वन, इट इज द पिक्चर ऑफ पपी. PUPPY. यहाँ डबल पी का यूज़ हुआ है. नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन, इट इज़ द पिक्चर ऑफ बटर. BUTTER. यहाँ डबल टी का यूज़ हुआ है. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ वन, टॉफ़ी. TOFFE. यहाँ डबल एफ का यूज़ हुआ है. वॉच. फिफ्थ वन, मफिन. MUFFIN. मफिन. चिल्ड्रन, मफिन इज द जस्ट लाइक अ कप केक. हाँ, तो इसमें डबल एफ का यूज़ हुआ है. नेक्स्ट सिक्स वन, मिटेंस. MITTENS. इन दिस वर्ड आल्सो यूज ऑफ डबल टी. नेक्स्ट सेवन वन, बैलून. BALLON. यहाँ भी डबल एल का यूज़ हुआ है. नेक्स्ट स्क्वेरल. SQUIRREL. स्क्वेरल डबल आर का यूज़ है. लास्ट वन, टेडी. TEDDY. टेडी. यहाँ डबल डी का यूज़ हुआ है. इन दिस वे चिल्ड्रन वी हैव completed our exercise A. Next exercise B. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters, full stops and question mark. Means children, we have given the sentences and we should write the sentence once again with the use of punctuation mark. Example, capital letters, full stops and question marks. So where do you live? In this sentence we watch that W is written in small letter, and children, we know that every sentence begins with capital letter. So here we write W in capital. Where do you live? And it is the sentence in the form of questions, so we will put a question mark. Second one, I always do my homework. There is no full stop, no question mark, and I is also written in small letter. So children, we will write I in capital. So write like this: I always do my homework and full stop. Children, we know that every sentence begins with capital letter and stop with full stop. Next, third one, who teaches you music? W is in small letter, so we will write who with capital letter W. Teaches you music, it is also a question mark sentence, interrogative sentence. So we will put a question mark at the last of the sentence. Next, we heard the cuckoo sing. W is small, so we will write W in capital. We heard the cuckoo sing. चिल्ड्रन, यहाँ यूज़ होगा फुल स्टॉप का. देयर इज़ नॉट क्वेश्चन मार्क यूज ऑफ, देयर इज़ द यूज ऑफ फुल स्टॉप. नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ वन, व्हेन डू यू गो टू बेड? W is given in small, so we will write W in capital. When do you go to bed? It is the interrogative sentence, so we will put a question mark. Next, learning the language. Exercise A once again. Choose a verb from the box to complete each sentence. We have given some options, and by the using of these words we have to fill the exercise. Sentence number 1. My mother knits a sweater for me. Knits, K-N-I-T-S, knits. Children, इसमें K silent है, हाँ. So its pronunciation is knits. Second one, Bina mixes the batter for the cookies. Mixes, mix कर रही है batter. Third one, a kangaroo hops. Now turn the page. Yes. Fourth one, the baby sits in its pram. Fifth one, the father and I washed the car. Now children, come to next exercise B. Deepa is telling us what she did last Sunday, and fill in the blanks with words from the box. Means last Sunday, means in these sentences we use the word second form of the verb. Means we will use the verb which used in the past tense. Just watch. Sentence number 1. I woke up. Walk second form. And brushed my teeth. Brushed, ed use हो रहा है, second form of the tense, and it is the past tense. Next, I played. ed add है, second form of the verb, so it is the past tense. I played cricket with my friends. Same. Third one, I finished my homework. ed add, it is the second form, it is the use of past tense. Fourth one, letter. We visited my aunt. ed add है, past tense, second form. Next, she baked a cake. ed add है, past tense, second form. In this way, children, we watch the by adding ed in the first form of the verb, we can create a form of past tense, means second form. Now, exercise C. Makes the verbs in the column A with their past tense form in the column B. Means we have given column 2 A and B, and first A column में दिया गया हमको verb की first form, और column B में we have given the second form of the verb. तो first form is matching with the second form. Number 1, come. Come first form है, come की second form हो जाएगा came. Come, came. Second one, get, got. Third one, go, went. Fourth one, run, ran. Last, say, said. In this way, children, we match first form with the second form. Now, last exercise, writing portion. List of polite expression. The first letter of each word has been given. Children, we know that we have given 3 polite words, and 3 polite words also known as the magic words. So, number 1, sorry. Second one, thank you. And third one, please. Now, write 1 sentences for each pictures using these expressions. Means we have given the pictures and we have to explain this picture by using the magic words or polite expressions. In this picture, we see the scene of a classroom, and a boy is asking something to a boy. So we will write this scene in this way. May I please use your green crayon? Interrogative question, and we put a question mark. In the second picture, we are watching that a peon, a very hot day. A peon is feeling very hot and sweating is feel by the peon. And a girl is telling the peon that please offer water for the peon. Thank you so much for the water, child. Means a girl offered the water for the peon, so the peon thanks to the child. Next. Last third one picture. In this picture, father give the puppy pet as a gift to the girl. So the girl says like this, thank you so much, I love the puppy. And in the last picture, we are watching that a boy, a mischievous boy, falling some articles by the boy. So he or she feel very sorry for this, and he or she says like this, I am sorry, I was careless. So children, this is the use of magic words or polite expressions. Now stop my pen, and thank you